What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team, stand up! Hey, man. Alright, so a lot of people have been waiting for this three-point shootout. Now, this was actually on Cash's channel. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to be actually reacting to it and see what it looks like. Edited up and everything. Let's check it out.
Alright, Flight! What it do? You talk a lot of trash, man. So you can shoot better than me, bro.
I can, bro. As soon as, like, you know the 2K lockdown bills, bro? That's all he can play is defense. He's like Boris Diaw or Bruce Bowen or whatever.
Facts, yo.
She playing defense.
I got a score, though.
With layups. You don't shoot, and not you don't shoot threes. So what we got going on today?
Man, let's go to the intro. Yo, what's good, everybody? We got a special video today.
Flight team, stand
up!
up!
Man, this dude be talking so much trash online, saying I can't shoot.
Yeah.
I mean, I busted 3 when that 2v2 in your face like that.
Like 1 of 10, 11.
That's your big on percentage.
Never.
We about to do a 3-point shootout, y'all. You about to see who be the best 3-point shootout man flight. I'm real confident, y'all. I hit the weights. I ain't gotta be. I don't think you be hitting just a blunt. So we gonna be good right here, alright? You ready?
Cap.
To go?
I'm ready.
Let's go and get to it. It's up. Where I go? Where I go?
Ball hit mine, yo.
Hey, too much weight.
Hey, that ball.
Let's go. You seen that shot? Yes, sir. I'm trying to learn the follow through more too, you know what I'm saying? Full form. Cash getting lucky. Yes, sir. You seen that 3? Cash lucky shot. It's Cash cheating. I know y'all seen that. Wow, bro. Yes, sir. You see that form? Yo, I literally got the best form on YouTube, bro, the way I shoot the 3. Cash always want to shoot at the same time I shoot, too, yo. I know you see my 3s. Come on, Flight. Damn, yo. Cash is in my way, yo.
Boy, you trash, Flight. Stop somebody to shoot better than me. You still in your first row.
Because you cheated. You had a remote control. Come on, man. Make that, Flight. Come on, man.
FTC.
I don't even remember this 3-point shootout. Like, I remember I played it, but I don't remember the, like, full results and shit. Bro, Flight, make a 3, bro.
That's game, bro. That's game, Flight. That's game, Flight. What you got sitting down, bro?
Keep on playing.
I tried to make the full court shot. I wasn't even really raging. I was trying to make the full court shot.
I guess I don't want to talk right now, huh? Flight, what's your excuse, bro?
You got a remote control. Remember when remember that one reaction video? Remember that one reaction video that there's been people hiding, like, you know, in the cuts and gyms and stuff with remote controls, bro? That's what happened.
Flight, I'm a better shooter than you, bro.
Not.
I just learned though you still your first rack.
You had a better ball, low key.
You can never get to this dude right here, bro. It's all gonna be something. It'd be a remote control. Wait, was the ball too bouncy?
No, it was a remote control this time. Someone was hiding somewhere in the gym. Just
Like, it's literally 6 people in here, bro.
I know, but you had the upstairs. You had the inside of the
That's what I'm saying. I was speaking facts.
You never know.
And it was just whenever you shot, it moved?
Yeah.
I'm done here, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, bro. You already know who the best shooters right here, man. Flight. Wet like one. FTC, sit down.
Oh, you had another one?
Alright, so since I already beat Flight, I'm gonna get.
Oh, yeah.
Redeem myself. No remote
We played a
controls,
second
right?
one. I almost
No
forgot.
one got no remote controls in here, right? To move the basketball around, nothing like that, right? Alright. We got it down there. You heard that, Flight?
Hey, man, we good.
So, me and Kenny around the world versus McQueen and Flight. You gonna get carried again. Let's go and do it, bro.
You guys think you're gonna win from this?
Yeah, Flight. He thinks you're gonna be prepared for every single thing that you do.
Yeah, I know.
What he doesn't understand is that
people who are just elite 2K players automatically translate their elite skills to the real life basketball.
That's what I'm saying.
So I don't know why like he's trying to make it seem like as if we're just not the, or you're not the most lit, half amazing in real life basketball player, half amazing player in 2K hybrid.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't understand.
They don't be knowing.
Let's just show niggas that nobody finna get carried in this game.
Yeah, it ain't gonna happen. Facts. I should have low-key shot first.
Come on. Buddy, how you gonna get a shot out, man? Let's go, man. Come on. You got me back.
Bro, am I even gonna get to shoot?
Where I walk? Oh, that one. Where I walk? Let's go, man. Where I walk? Okay, Cat. Where I walk? Okay, Cat.
Bro. I didn't even get to shoot, bro.
They gonna tell me I'm not a shooter. Come on, man, talk to me, man.
My choke, man, that's my bad, bro.
Hey, what's good, man? Guys look like, whoa up! You gotta stop playing me, man.
Hey, Cash made 5 in a row, bro. That's the most series I've ever seen him make. 5 in a row.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, Cash, you was waiting on this, man. You can't
Give my props.
Hey,
you can't shoot, but you was waiting on them.
Don't
You
make no
missed
one.
like 6 over there, bro.
Big dog, shoot, dude.
I could have literally came back. I literally let you just make them over there.
In any case, you're not a shooter.
Huh?
In any case, you're not a shooter.
I'm not a shooter, but I had 9 points. I'm not a shooter, but I had 9 points. And 2 of them was in your eye?
Boy, you didn't even do no shot.
It don't matter, bro. You said you had clean. You said you had clean, Cash.
Like LeBron James don't get scored on by Curry for running out there.
Come on, man. Right?
And I was shooting way back here. You heard me? Look, I shot way back here. You was right here.
You were right there, Cash.
I'm about to say, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, bro.
Right there on the line.
Flight quiet is all I want to see. You feel me? You can't never say that I can't shoot no more. Well, like water. You got no time for this. Everybody channel down below in the description.
Sat there and got a lucky game, yo. There's another one? Oh, he played a random 2v3v2 or something. Oh, I'm about to roast him. Better make that. Who's playing against randoms? Who are these people? Kenny's out there. Oh yeah, I know that dude. The fuck was that? Oh my gosh. That ugly ass jump shot. Bro, that was luck. Bro, what type of gym is this? It's like half court and just one no other thing. Wow. The dude is, that's the only one carrying. Wow. Wow. Wow, you're missing layups, bro? Come on, man. You're like 6'6" or something. That was a nice spin. That's my type of move. This dude Kenny thinks he's Curry, yo. Okay, Cash. Bro, if he makes this, I was just gonna click off the video, yo. Bro, he shoots like Tayshaun Prince. If you remember the Tayshaun from the Detroit Pistons, only real OG basketball analysts will know that stuff. You know, Cash can't shoot. You got a lucky game with a 3-point shootout, yo. It was a fluke. He won't do that ever again, man. I think I actually played a game before that too, so I was also a little tired. I think that's when we played the original 2v2 with me and McQueen first, and then because that wasn't before the roof was off. Finally, that guy makes a layup again. Yo, that dude in the blue shirts touched the ball like 2 times, man. Damn, bro, how are you getting blocked and you're taller than him, bro? Bro, look at him. He's out of bounds. You gotta get in the weight room, man. I'm sorry. Just take advice from me or something, bro. You gotta go lift some weights, bro. Oh my gosh. What was that? What was that? Bro, if he makes this, I'm out, bro. I'm out. You just let him just sink a game-winning 3 like that, man. Hey, man, comment down below what I share at next on the road to 1 million.